This is the second attempt they're making an airlift. The first attempt, they were in there close. They had to circle around. It's very treacherous and dangerous because there's a lot of wind. We're about halfway. We're about 40 miles from Miami. Okay, it looks like they're making the landing now. People are out on their balcony watching. This is very dangerous to land a helicopter on a moving vessel. Let's go in and check to see how fast in our current position. Let's go in here and take a quick look. We're moving 6.3 knots. There's where we are. Well, we're probably like 45, 50 miles from Miami, moving at 6.3 knots. So let's go check it out. You can hear the helicopter out on the helipad. They have a sick crew member, needs immediate medical assistance, and early this morning they sped up from 6 knots to 20 knots to head towards Miami to meet the Coast Guard. They had this arranged since about 6:30 this morning, and they're scheduled for 1 o'clock, and it's almost 1:30 now. But the helicopter had to make 2 passes, 2 attempts, and it sounds like he's on the helipad right now. And I'm holding on tight to my phone here on Mariner of the Seas. It's pretty windy out there. I still hear the helicopter out on the helipad. It's an interesting thing. If you have 2 cabins next to each other, you can open up the dividers and make one big balcony. So that's pretty cool. People are out there watching. Helicopter's going to get up. Miami's going to be down there in that direction. So we may not see the helicopter again. He's going to take straight off and head right to your left. That's where Miami is. See if the helicopter does make another appearance. But the ship is moving at 6.3 knots, so it doesn't actually stop. I guess they have to move somehow to keep the ship from rocking and at least have power to the engines. I still hear it up there on the helipad, and I gotta really hold on tight to my phone. See the wind blowing the water off the waves. I still hear it. It sounds like it took off. It's heading straight to the Miami area and headed to the left. I guess it's been successful.